Hello everybody, just bringing you in here on something that I'm in the process of doing, and that is, and something you can try at home, and that is, I don't know if you can see this pot that I've done here. This is a pot that is, I've done a spoon decoration, in other words poured a little bit of glaze and then gone around it to make it like it is there, and I've put on the surface of this powdered wood ash. I've got one more here. I just thought that I should show you this as I was doing it, and let's move some of these pots a minute out of the light. The goat is over there. Got this pet goat at the moment, and it's everywhere in my glazed buckets. Dear oh dear. So I've got some this is orange wood ash. Now you can use any kind of wood ash really. You can use pine wood ash. I've got some carob wood ash over there. Maybe I ought to try some carob wood ash actually. Round here in Spain where we are, we have quite a lot of carob trees. That's the rather nice they use for chocolate substitute, you know, like a brown bean. It's kind of sweet. Anyway, they trim the trees and they burn them off, and I've gone along and collected some of that wood ash, which I've sieved through a 100 mesh sieve. Okay, it's not washed, it's unwashed. So what I'm going to do is this is a little lidded jar with a little motif on the top there, and some little squiggles there down the side, which I did with my little spoon. Take a teaspoon and just put a drop there and just make little marks like that. You can use a spoon a lot. It's quite a handy little piece of equipment, again from the kitchen of course. Most things seem to come from the kitchen, don't they? Well, so how am I going to apply that wood ash onto here? Well, first thing to do is to wet it. You've got to bear in mind that doing this treatment is only really for high temperature stoneware work, and in reduction stoneware. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some water there, and I'm going to take some of this wood ash and I'm just going to sprinkle it over there. See, like that? Don't get too fussy. Now just keep spinning it, and you need to spray the water on and then chuck the ash on it, but whoops, coming out not exactly like in a spray. So there it is. Now, don't breathe in the ash, folks. Not recommended. Probably better to wear a mask if you're going to be doing anything that's of a dusty nature. I'm just very slightly blowing off some of the excess there. Okay. Now in the kiln, of course, the wood ash will run slightly. Make sure if you're doing what I've done, you don't get it where the lid is fitting, because if you get wood ash in under there, it'll stick the lid down. Okay. Just try and lift that up now to the camera so you've got some idea there of what I've done. Okay. That's going straight in the kiln now, as it is. No messing. Okay folks, I'm Leach here saying, keep practicing. Try something new. And wood ash is very cheap, very plentiful, and you get some very satisfactory results with it. Okay, cheers, bye now. La 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 la.